Okay, now I'm going to show you my really easy trick for turning the straps the other way around, just using a simple hair grip. I really like this trick because you don't need anything expensive or fancy equipment. So with your strap that's been sewn together, you're just going to do a tiny snip at the top. And this is going to be in the seam allowance, so you won't see this at all and it won't damage the fabric. So then you want to get your hair grip and you want to thread it, one of the legs through and then down, so both legs are inside, and then in the top bit of the hair grip here should just be a tiny piece of fabric, and then you're going to push it down. It can be a little bit fiddly just to get it started. You're going to push the grip all the way down to the bottom. You can see the fabric bunch in here. And then the two legs of the pin should come out the other end, the hair grip, the hairpin, whatever you want to call it. And then you just smooth the strap down, smooth. And voila, how easy was that? And this is great for doing thin straps because obviously a hair grip is really thin, whereas if you're using a safety pin, sometimes it can come open halfway down, and if the strap's thin, you might not have the right thickness of safety pin, whereas everyone always has a million of these little hair grips knocking around. Okay, great.